Well, the rising cost of healthcare is certainly a significant problem for pretty much all Americans these days. And so we wanted to take a moment on the program and talk about an option that you may have available to you to combat that. What we're going to be talking about is health savings account. These are some pretty powerful vehicles that fortunately more and more people are starting to get familiar with. They've been around since 2003, so one of those things where you would have thought more people would have had these types of accounts because they can be very, very powerful. So we're going to talk about those on this week's program. And then we thought we would talk about some things that have changed when it comes to retirement, and in particular, planning for it. So if you're nearing retirement, or maybe you're even in retirement, there's some things here that you probably want to know when it comes to your retirement and making sure you have the most effective plan for it. Of course, this is April 12th, the live air date of the program. And so that means the taxes are due this coming Wednesday at the office, as we go through every year, as we have been for now probably 25 years, I think. Our tax preparation service reserved exclusively for our clients, where we get to kind of overlay that overall financial plan with a very detailed analysis of your taxes, which obviously is valuable because I think taxes is probably the number one expense that people spend money on, followed immediately by that healthcare expense that we were talking about earlier. So we're going to talk a little bit about if you owe money, what does that mean? What you should do to maybe better prepare. So all of that coming up on this week's program here on Dollars and Cents, where we help you make sense out of all of life's decisions involving your dollars.